Post office said they were going to deliver my Tesbox today, but I haven't seen it anywhere. Delivered to the wrong car. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Eric, and today is the fourth box from Tesbox. We're going to see what's inside. I have a feeling it is a summer theme here. Let's go take a look. This is a Tesbox unboxing, number 4. Okay, Tesbox. I have not seen what's inside. I am reacting just as you are, seeing it for the very first time. So I'm going to open the box, and let's hope you don't let us down, Tesbox. So here's your thank you card. Okay, so it looks like a Tesbox logoed water bottle. I do like this, actually. Model X Frisbee. The kids will really like that. All right, so some sunglasses, and hopefully it's going to make me look a little bit more okay. So let's see what this is. Looks like some sort of a pouch in here. It is waterproof, so you can take this to the beach with you. This is some sort of a bag or something. Okay, looks like a cloth, cleaning cloth. Super cooling towel. So it gives you instructions here on how to use this. Okay, so it's a cooling towel. I'll have to check that out, look into all these and see how much these are worth. And good old Elon. So another Elon's Musk here. That's really funny. My wife likes these. We don't really think the smell is all that great. It smells like cool water cologne, if you guys from the 90s remember that. That's what it smells like. It's actually that black ice. If you get the air fresheners, get black ice, and it smells just like this. All right, so what do I think about this Tesbox? There's good news and there's bad news. The good news is, hey, no stickers. The bad news is that I don't know if all of this stuff adds up to $35. These are good, but I don't see these as high-end quality type of devices. These are, you can get these for a couple dollars, at big box store. These are the same quality that you would get at, like, if you go to an outdoor event, concert or whatever, and they're giving away the free promotions for AT&T or your cable company or whatever. They give out these as promotions. That's kind of the quality I feel from just kind of looking and holding it. This is cool. I think it actually is really cool, but it is just a Frisbee at the end of the day. But they do have it screen printed on there. It's a permanent on there. It's not like a cheaply made, stenciled on or something. It actually is good quality. It's just a Frisbee, and Frisbees cost a couple dollars. The cooling towel is kind of a cool thing to have, and it does actually feel like it's a high quality cloth. I just don't know if I would ever use something like this, but maybe I will. I'm gonna read the instructions and test it out and try it and see how I like it in real world activities here. But I'll look online. I'm not sure how much these go for online, so I really don't know how much it's worth. This is always good. It smells fine. but it's more of a conversation piece. It's funny. I've had mine in my car for a while now, a couple months, and people laugh when they see it. And yeah, I think it's cool. These are probably worth $8 or $9. I don't know. I haven't found this exact one online. I found some other ones that are similar, that are more of a cartoon looking drawing of his face, and they go for a bit more money, but I prefer this one. The more the merrier, because after about a month, you can't smell it anyways, so swap them out every other month and you'll be fine. All right, so there you go. That is box number 4 from Tesbox. As you see, it was a summer themed with the sunglasses, Frisbee, water bottle, things you would take to the beach with you, the cooling towel. I think it's cool. I think this is gonna be one of those things where you win some, you lose some. You're paying $35 a month. It is a subscription. Some of the boxes have been really cool, and this one is probably my least favorite. Not that I don't like it. I'm thankful that I have it. I just don't think it adds up to $35 in regards to, you know, a great value. It's probably, I'm just guessing here, it probably adds up to $20, maybe $25, but it's not gonna just rock your world. So this one is kind of a miss for me, but I am looking forward to next month's. Maybe they'll redeem themselves. And here you guys thought I would only do positive reviews just to make a cheap sale. Pfft, shame on you. All right guys, well that's it for today. I will see you guys soon. If you like the video, let me know by hitting that like button, and if you want to subscribe, feel free to subscribe. It's free. Tesbox is not. See you guys next week. Bye.